Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the Wendy's mascot on Dress to Impress. So first I'm just going to get some braids. I think I might combine them, but let's just use this one first. I'm losing my voice. I'm so sorry. So color this red, I used 8B1013, and then for the little bows, I think I'm just going to use this color here. I don't know, let's see later, and then for the bangs, I'm just going to use the one from this one. Let's see, should I use bangs only or should I just double it? I think I'm just going to layer it like this. And then for the fit itself, I am going to use this, and I'm going to find the blue and white plaid pattern. This one. And then I'm going to layer this on as well in skirt only to the first skirt toggle, color it white, and then maybe the second one like this. Anyway, I'm just going to color it all white, and I might do matte on the texture, and then I'm going to get the witch skirt in that pattern as well, and I am going to get this dress in all white, like for the apron, I guess. Let me see if the bow looks cute or not. I'm just checking. I hate it. Okay, don't put that on. And I am also going to put this, where is it? This on in just color in that same pattern. Sure, I'll try to put it on for all of it. If one of it doesn't work, like this one, just color this white. Hold on. Should I use this? Nah. And then for the shoes, let's just get these striped socks first, in high striped socks, and I'm going to color it that red and white signature sock color. Then for the shoes, I'm just going to wear these Mary Janes, add socks, and color the socks matte and white. Can't even see them now, but turn off the feet like that. If you want to, you can also change the skirt here if it's too long for your liking. You can also use this one instead. Well, you're going to obviously want to change the top, but color it white, and then you're just going to select this pattern for the third and second toggle. And that is how you can dress up as Wendy's on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.